Here with another frequent asked question. How do I change my share settings on the Google presentation so my teacher can see it? So we are going to see the same example that we have been using that I haven't really finished or done, but it's just for an example. When you go to share right here, it says private to only me. So nobody else can see it but you. So you're gonna click right here. You can give a title to your presentation. You need to give a title to your presentation. I'm gonna call it Untitled Presentation. And then click Save. And right here. Okay. So, do I share with people and groups? No. Please don't share this. Do not share this. I don't need you to share this. This is what I need to do. I need you to go to here where it says change link to Union County Public Schools. And then you have options here, Union County Public Schools or anyone with the link. So I want you to choose this one. Okay. I always choose this one so everybody can see it. But for you and your presentations, I rather you to use only for Union County Public Schools. Once you get this check, you're going to click done. And that's it. And you're going to copy the URL and you follow the steps on how to submit your assignment. That's all for now. I hope this is helpful.